So, a lot of our sneakers are very desirable and it's consignment. So the marketplace sort of sets the price of the sneakers. So they can greatly range from, let's say, $50 or so to over $15,000 for a single pair of sneakers, right? Depending what it is. If inventory can't be found, we got to pay our consignors out. So it is a huge priority for us to actually keep the inventory as accurate as possible. And with Barrett being able to do the continuous cycle counts with the drones, it's been a huge benefit for us, right? Because if something does, on a rare occasion get misplaced, it's quickly found and it's really not an issue. It's been huge for us. Historically, prior to Barrett, we had a lot of issues at the other third-party warehouse. I would say probably a good 2% of the orders, they couldn't find the products. And then we had to like substitute serial numbers. Now with Barrett, it's really a non-issue. We send them the orders and they ship fast. They have a very aggressive SLA, and they're able to achieve it day in and day out. During peak, when our volume more than quadruples, they have no issues. They can always find the product, and they get it out really fast. I mean, we had in the ballpark of like a 1.5 to 2% inventory shrink before, and now it's like a fraction of a fraction percent. Yeah.